Hi everyone, for the next two questions, actually the next few questions on the homework, you'll be wanting to use technology to help you solve these. So this is just practice to learn technology and how that's going to help you solve questions similar to this. So in this question we need to find the mean, the median, and the standard deviation. Here's my little note to you. Use technology to solve. I do not expect you to do this by hand. It is tedious and time-consuming and unnecessary. So please use Minitab, Microsoft Excel, or your graphing calculator to solve this. So one of the most challenging steps is trying to get this data into Minitab. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this data over into Minitab. To do this, if you notice my cursor changes from an arrow to a finger. I'm not sure it shows up in the video that way or not. But at any rate, if you hold down in front of the X, I'm in the light blue box, and drag down, I will be able to highlight the data. And once I highlight this data, I will right click or do Control C from the keyboard, but I'll right click on a blue area and say copy. Okay, so what's going to do is copy this data for me over into Minitab. So for me to get to Minitab on your desktops in the computer lab, or if you're at home, you have to open Minitab on your own. But on the desktops in the computer lab, Minitab is located on the desktop in the academic software folder. Or you might be able to search it by going to your Windows and searching. Alright, so what I'm going to do is this is Minitab 19. And I'm going to just make my bottom window here a little bit bigger. So I'm dragging the top for a little bit more real estate. Notice that my cursor is sitting right here in the heading for C1, which is where I want it to be. Alright, so in order for you to see the top of this page, I've got to make this a little bit smaller. Let me see here if I can do this. There we go. Alright, let me make this kind of fit the screen better. And up here. Okay, so to paste the data in, right now it's in the computer memory because we did copy. There's a clipboard here that says paste. We could go to edit and do paste, or you can use Control V to help you. So, and on a Mac I'm not sure what the combination is, but it's similar to that. And if I hit paste, it pastes the values into this column. So what I need to do is tell Minitab to calculate those values for me. And one of the easiest ways to do it is to go to the menu called Stat, Basic Stats, Display Descriptive Statistics. Alright, so I'll do that again. Stat, Basic Stats, Display Descriptive Statistics. Once I'm in here, I can see that C1 is available for me to select, so I just double click it, and it goes right into here under Variables. I do not have any other variables in this problem, so I do not have to sort by anything. I just click OK. And once I click OK, here is all the data that I have. So the mean is 16.86. Do not use this one. The standard deviation is 8.20. And the median is 19.35. So let me get to the homework here. So the mean would be and let's see how many decimal places I need to round to. It says round to 2 decimal places, which is perfect because that's what Minitab defaults to. So let me write it in the box here. So mean equals 16.86. Let me make my box here a little bit bigger. The next one is median, and that equals 19.35. And finally, my standard deviation equals, and I go over here to standard deviation, 8.20. Alright, and if you type those numbers in, that's how you'll solve the next couple problems in the homework. Hopefully that all works for you, and good luck. You could probably look up directions on Excel to do this on YouTube, but Minitab is probably the easier one to use. You can also look up directions for the graphing calculator. Alright, take care.